What sets RoboJob robots apart from the rest? More than 15 years ago, we were born out on the shop floor. Wage inflation and competition from low-wage countries made machine shop math difficult at best. We knew we needed a strategic move to regain what we were losing. No one was making CNC machine-tending robots at the time, so we made our own. The speed and simplicity of our design and execution are based on 15 years of real-world machine shop depth. So you know it won't require ongoing tweaks and updates. More than 400 customers in over 500 locations in 13 countries around the world have drawn on our experience. More than 1,300 robots are working in the field. Installation and training? Simple. You go from human hands to robotic grippers in just 5 days. Ready to draw on our experience? Call us at 866-952-9020 and then press 1 to start the conversation. RoboJob-USA, first in CNC automation.